conductors, welcome back to another episode of All the Mini Railways, the show where we visit all the mini railways in the UK. This one might be tacked on to another video because the circuit is about as small as my brain. We are in Happy Mount Park. I think it's called the Happy Mount Park Express. Creative name in it. But it's over there. It's near a playground, so we're going to look maybe a little bit weird as two grown men recording it, but whatever. Yeah.
Let's go.
Usually I say that.
So yeah, Happy Mount Park of course is run by the local council, and the Express is a sort of small operation. There's not really a station here, just a little low platform and a shed, and I think you get two circuits for your £1.50, which is good because it's not that big, short and sweet.
Well, short and okay.
We've run out of storage halfway through, so let's go round again. Cheers. Right, well, this is our second attempt at filming because we didn't have enough storage when we turned the gimbal on. So now we're going round again. You might not realise this, but this is somewhat uncomfortable. This carriage really doesn't have room for two 6 foot plus people, but we'll suffer for your sake.
I mean, it is really just built for 4-year-olds.
Yeah, there is a playground for the kiddies there, under 8 oldish. I'm afraid, Simon, you're too old now. No! I think this engine runs on diesel. I don't think it's steam, but I'm pretty sure it's diesel. You have plenty of warnings to keep your hands inside the train. Now we've got a tunnel, some kiddie rides in here. Gives off quite a creepy Carnival of Souls type vibe, that.
It just gives off. Yeah, no, you're right.
Have you seen that film, Simon?
I haven't seen it.
Yeah, it's quite creepy.
Oh, I might check it out.
It's of course the title of an REM song. Boxcar turning out of town.
I just saw some kid fall off a swing then. Oh, that looks so painful.
Yeah, Happy Mount Park is famous for its swing boats, but Simon went on them a couple of years ago and wasn't greatly impressed.
It's like, I thought it was gonna like big heavy swing. It was kind of like...
Yes. They won't thrill anyone who's been to Alton Towers, put it that way.
I've never been to Alton Towers.
I don't. Well, they won't thrill anyone who's been to Blackpool Pleasure. Right, we're now going to film some trackside footage. Not that we're trying to pad out the video at all.
That's sarcasm. We actually are.
Oh.
Getting the lighter pad in here, wonderful.
Yeah. I'll just pause a second. I don't quite understand why he's got a rear view mirror actually. I suppose, you know, maybe get some villains riding the train. Oh. Yeah. And there we go.
Hello there. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, share with your mates, your family, your boss. That was Happy Mount Express. Probably the shortest and most okay ride that we've ever done.